Hi, this is Jimmy Pandita, and we all know we have to make career someday. Now, this career is a very broad term. If we ask our parents that what do you want to do after, if they ask us what do you want to do after class 12th, so उनके दिमाग में एक क्वेश्चन होता है या आंसर होता है इंजीनियरिंग करना है या तो डॉक्टर बनना है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू थिंक दैट इंजीनियरिंग मेडिकल को छोड़ के और भी सारे काफ़ी सारे ऑप्शंस हैं, करियर ऑप्शंस जहाँ पे एक बच्चा अच्छा करियर बना सकता है. देर आर वेरियस करियर ऑप्शंस. नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल, IIT का नाम सुनते ही हमारे दिमाग में आ जाता है कि इट इज़ एन इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज. बट very few people know that IIT is not only about engineering. IIT is an institution where we have different types of courses which are related to technical, non-technical courses. BSc, MSc courses are there. So there's one branch called as engineering physics, geophysics. There are various branches of science which are being taught there. So we need to come out of this frame of mind that IIT is only about engineering. IIT is just an example. What are the other career options? Now these days, people are asking that we have to go for the artificial intelligence, machine learning, and then cinematography, then choreography, dance, music. There are various career options. It completely depends on the type of a person. It depends on the interest of a student. What does he want to do? What are their hobbies? जनरली क्या होता है कि हम लोग गिटार बजाते हैं तो हमारे दिमाग में आ जाता है कि यार मैं गिटारिस्ट बनता हूँ, म्यूजिशियन बनता हूँ. इज दिस द राइट वे टू सिलेक्ट आवर करियर स्ट्रीम? आई डोंट थिंक सो. टू प्ले गिटार और टू लर्न म्यूजिक, it can be taken into two ways. One is it can be taken as a hobby, and second, it can be taken as a career also. So it completely depends on the personality of a student, personality of the person. Then it also depends on the interest. Now, when we say interest, when we say personality, these all things, how do we come to know about all these things? So I must say that the person or the student should go for an aptitude test where his personality can be known or the interest can be known, whether he's an introvert or extrovert. What does he want to do in his life? Now, for example, I play guitar and I'm an introvert type of a person, but I like to play guitar. Can I be able to make this as a career? Will I be? So, I can keep this as a hobby and select my other career option also. But if I am extrovert, I don't have a fear of stage, I can go onto stage and I can play guitar and I can play in front of the public, then I can definitely make this as a career. Now to answer these questions, we have a section called as Ask an Expert, wherein all the queries of the parents, of the students related to their career are being addressed, and which is based on an aptitude test. So where we provide different career solutions to the students and their parents and guide them that what can be best suited for the student to make his right career path.